YouTube, what's going on? Analytic Reason, back with another NBA pick today. The last pick number 6, was a loser. I think we picked Brooklyn minus 5.5. They won the game, but they didn't cover that 5.5. So I don't have the total in front of me, the record in front of me, but I think we're still positive for the year. So we're gonna keep on moving and try to hit some plays today. First of all, Happy New Year. Today's January 1st, 2021. Take a second to subscribe, like, and yeah, if you enjoy the picks, share it with a friend. And here we go. So when I looked at the slate of games today, I liked a lot of them. I liked way too many games, and immediately I knew that I was in trouble. That's a bad sign. When you like too many teams or too many over-unders because you think it looks easy or you look like it was a short thing, that's when you kind of have to just ease back a little bit. That's not a good thing. And that's like Vegas setting that trap for you. Nothing's ever that easy, So I kind of broke it down to 2 plays. I kind of like 2 plays, so I'll share my 2 official picks today, and then I'll share a couple of leans, okay? So my first pick, my 7th pick for these series, I like Dallas. And to be honest, the line opened up at -1, and then now it's Miami -1. Yeah, I don't think that's right. I think Dallas should be the favorite here. And I'll tell you why. I think Dallas should be the favorite, and I think Dallas should win. Also, I like the over for this game, but the over's at the 77% of the public is on the over, and the line hasn't moved. See that? Opened up at 222.5, and with the public betting this line on the over, it hasn't moved. So I'm a little bit worried about that. But I do like Dallas. And I like Dallas plus the 1 here because they're 1-3 right now, and they got blown out by Charlotte last game. On top of that, Doncic, Josh Richardson, and Porzingis is hurt. Their whole team hasn't shot that well. Dallas hasn't shot well at all. I think they shot way below 40%, and they should be pissed here. Their motivation should be very high for this game. And Dallas should, this is basically a pick'em, and I think Dallas should win this outright, So my 7th pick would be Dallas plus the 1, and I like one more game here. And I like it just because it's a must play for me. It's the Atlanta Hawks and the Brooklyn game. I like the over here. I like the over. See, this is one of those weird games where Atlanta played Brooklyn at Brooklyn last game, and then their next game is Atlanta at Brooklyn again. On top of that, Brooklyn and Atlanta scored a combined total of 286 points in regulation. Yeah, in regulation. No overtime. I think the score was like they both scored in the 140s. That's ridiculous. Just on principle, I got to go under here. I have to go under here. See, the only thing that makes me a little nervous is that Vegas set this lineup the highest. Out of all the games, they set it the highest. Right? Usually, the rule of thumb is you look at the highest total on the slate of games and you bet the over, and then you find the lowest total on the slate of games and you bet the under. But see, I think this this over-under is a little inflated because of last game. They scored 286 points. That's a lot. And also, look, it opened up at 247. It's getting bet 56% on the over, and the line is dropping. See that? There's a reverse line movement here. I'm going to go with the under. All right, so I'm going to go under 244.5. So for my 8th pick, I'm going to go Brooklyn, Atlanta, under 244.5. Those are my 2 official picks. So my first official pick is Dallas plus the 1, and then my second official pick is Brooklyn and Atlanta under 244.5. Now, here are some of my leans. One of my leans is Utah. I like Utah here. They're getting no love right now. All right, Clippers. 92% of the Clippers are the public. 92% of the public are on the Clippers, and Utah lost the last one. Right, Utah lost the last one, and Utah usually plays up to their competition. See, if the Knicks were visiting Utah, I would bet the Knicks because Utah doesn't play on bottom feeder teams all that great, but they try to beat the tough ones. So I like Utah here as a lean. And another lean I like is Milwaukee because the line looks right. Minus 14.5 looks right. They lost the last one, so they should be pretty pissed. Chicago, believe it or not, is I think 3-1. I think they won. I think their record is 3-1. And this could be a little bit close in the beginning, but Chicago usually blow. They're like another Knicks. They blow it in the third and fourth quarter, and it might get a little ugly. I'm just a little bit nervous of the backdoor cover in case this gets a little bit too out of hand, and Giannis and Middleton might take an early break somewhere in the fourth, and then the bench comes in, and then they'll end up winning by like 14 or something. So I'll tread lightly on that. But other than that, those are my 2 leans. You got my 2 official picks. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.